In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access, Passwords and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager and select a password to get rid of by tapping on it. Then enter your screen lock. Tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!